It's also very important that you clean your cabin or house heater. Clean the exhaust vent from the outside, because a lot of dirt and dust accumulates in here. So we just removed the two stainless steel screws, this one and that one, and now we'll just pull off the vent. We did blow a bit of air, compressed air in there before, and we did notice there was some debris in there, so we'll just pull out the exhaust and have a look. I don't know if you saw that, something just fell out. Yeah, that's the problem. See, the thing is, insects, spiders, wasps, bees, all these insects tend to go in there and make little nests in there, so it's very important that you clean out this whole area. Just with compressed air, but if you don't have compressed air, you can use a vacuum and a brush, that's fine as well. So give that a good clean, and once that's cleaned out, then you can go back and put your vent in. Some of the vents you would require to seal this off, so you will want to put a sealant around here, but you'll have to consult your owner's manual or visit a local workshop to find out what's the right type and what's the right material to be used around your vent.